Full Gamut Defense Arts, and he's going to teach a chin-na defense for the ice pick stab.
So doing it slow, what I'm trying to do an X block, okay? This is just a little bit of a difference from my neutral position that I use all the time, okay? In fact, I can use neutral position. I scissor, okay? Here, I'm controlling, I'm actually coming here, and if I need to, I pop, okay? And then if I can get it, I come in here.
Yeah.
And I can strip that away.
Already, before he did that, it was still in there, but I had no grip of that knife.
Yeah.
I had no grip.
See, and now, I don't know how well you can see it, but I have his elbow in my armpit.
A little bit if you want, right here.
His elbow is in my armpit, so if he is trying to get out of it, right, he can come this way if he wants to force his way through it, but I can just stop that by doing this.
Oh yeah.
I got 2 fingers, I can get the other 2 fingers.
Oh yeah.
He's not going anywhere, right?
No.
Okay. So, and that is, without the knife, it's an X block with my rear hand on top. I'm coming down, I'm just scissoring to grab, okay? Now I can do that all the way up here. It really doesn't matter as long as I'm not on the knife itself, but I'm scissoring, I'm sliding to the wrist, and I'm sliding to the elbow, and if I come in here and I pop it with the back of my thumb, I can get that bend in, even if it's just a little bit, then I can get it into my armpit and I can lever it in and I start getting on that wrist.
That is rough, let me tell you what. If I'm really stepping, see this? Okay.
Here, scissor, and come in. And now, especially if I'm here, okay, it's pointed towards me, sure. He's got nothing.
I don't have any power.
He's got nothing there.
I can't grip or move it. See, this is actually me trying to move here.
And if I have it in my armpit, then I can just...
Yeah. It's weird. I still have a grip, but I don't have any grip power. Yeah, I can still grab onto it, but I can't squeeze. Yeah. That's awesome, though. Cool.
Interesting little chin knot.
Yes.